What's up YouTube, AR Car Reviews here again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be reacting to driver spins out after a 109-mile-per-hour chase. I saw this video thumbnail and I just said to myself like, yo, I got to react to this video. I've never watched it before, but I think it's going to be like, I'm hoping everybody's okay, but let's see, let's check it out. So yeah, let's get into it.
An officer with the Pleasant Prairie Police Department in Wisconsin was on patrol when he observed a vehicle in the left turn only lane travel through the intersection without turning left. This simple traffic violation should have been a quick conversation and possibly a ticket, but the suspect had other plans.
Now, I'm not gonna lie. Typically, whenever you're in the left lane and you're not gonna turn up, I feel like that's perfectly fine. Everybody's been in that situation. Like, who hasn't done that before?
From 165 northbound. I'll take it second.
But doing it in front of a cop, that's crazy. That is crazy. Alright, so they pulled over. I don't see what the issue is. Seems like everything's going okay.
Don't go!
I'm not, bro, that has to be the slowest pull-off I've ever seen. We heard the engine move before it even moved, bro. This man could have ran and caught up to the car. No, I'm not gonna lie, this gotta be the slowest
disobeying a traffic sign.
Pull-off I've ever seen.
Speeds are 60. One occupant, female, black. 209 approaching Highway C, speeds are 90, no traffic.
To get away from the police. Sorry, not even a patrol car. See, it's the slowest pursuit ever.
209 PD still approaching Highway C, speeds are 60, zero traffic.
What's she doing?
She's on the wrong side of the road, no traffic.
What's she got going
Looks like we'll be going westbound. Can't see.
Look how easily the cop car caught up.
Still right behind her. We'll be going westbound on C, still past the interstate.
Well, this cop swerved. He should have been a part of the swim team. That's how he made that cut. That was dangerous.
209 PD still westbound from the west frontage road. She's in the wrong lane of traffic. No traffic. Speeds are 75.
That's traffic. She's playing the dangerous game of life, man. She's losing. She's losing.
209 PD light traffic passing the 13100 block. Speeds are 90.
Thing got a cap out of like 100 and
209 let KSD know, Highway 45 is going to be next. Speeds are 100, light traffic.
100 around that corner? I see that at Forza, they don't end well. I don't know where they are, but this is beautiful though.
209 still medium traffic. Speeds are 90. Traffic's yielding to me.
This really looked like a Forza road. I'm not even gonna lie. Life is beautiful out here. Wide open roads.
1040M still good.
Wide open.
209 speeds are 110, no traffic. Road conditions are good. 209 coming up to MB. I'm slowing down just because of the roundabout. She's going about 90 into it.
90 into roundabout is crazy. But yo, I'm sorry for pausing. Is this not based off of Forza Horizon? Because I feel like I've literally played this map. Like, literally, this is the same exact maps I play in Forza.
209 PD, we're still...
I mean, she hit it.
Going through MB. Speeds are only 60. Light traffic. 209, she did pop her left tire, so we do have one tire down. At minimum, light traffic. 209 PD passing the 17,000 block, 17,000 block. Light traffic, speeds are 80.
box is filling up.
800 block, about 8 miles an hour.
209 coming up to medium traffic. Speeds are 70. Traffic is yielding to me.
Oh no. That's not good. That's not good at all.
209, we are passing on oncoming
Okay,
traffic.
looks like the motorcycle made it
Light
out.
traffic
You know,
still.
calm.
Tires getting obliterated here. Passing 18500 block.
Lead towards 209. You said the tires out?
Looks like front left and left rear are blowing out, so we're slowing down to about 80. Coming up to 45.
She don't even know.
10-4.
Bro, there's certain cars I would just never run from the police from. This is
211.
definitely
I'll
one of
keep
those
you for a little
cars.
bit longer. I'm heading out that way.
Ooh.
209 PD, she spun out. I'll be boxing her in right
Oh,
over
she
here
saved
on
that
the
though.
front road.
Ooh.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Put your hands behind your back!
Jesus.
I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. Mom.
Good? Yep.
Mom.
Get the phone away from
Mom.
her. She don't need her phone.
No,
I
it's
always
not
feel
mom.
like cops sometimes do
care
a
about
little
it
bit too
anymore.
much, especially when
You're
they see
under
that
arrest.
the person's not gonna do
271
anything,
custody.
you know what I mean?
My
Like,
mom.
It
I
doesn't
understand
matter,
they
you're
have
going
to
to jail.
neutralize the threat, but if I'm just standing up there like this, it's like, you know, there's no threat, bro.
All you have to do
You
is
know,
stop.
in the back and stuff like that, like, come
For a
on.
simple fucking ticket. Roll her back over that way.
I don't have nothing.
Well, then you should have fucking stopped. Put your knees up.
That is true.
Get up.
Can't argue with that. No, that's logic.
Up.
Definitely not in the Mazda.
Did she hit your car?
No.
No, I didn't hit nothing.
She spun out because she was driving like a fucking maniac.
What
Get in
was I
there.
driving like?
So I want to know, how did you blow out your front tire and your rear tires from just driving? Like, was this girl on no tread? Like, was her tire like there's 90 miles per hour the max of the car? Like, bro, we just watched the video. She didn't hit nothing, and literally both tires just imploded.
Well, I'm not even gonna discuss it. You're going to jail and you probably won't get out for a bit.
What's the big?
Probably years.
Years.
I'm like a fucking lunatic.
Nah, bro, she's cooked. She's cooked. She's cooked. She's cooked, bro. He said years. Bro, this is the lesson for all you guys watching. Don't run from the police. Like, I feel like, especially when you have a faster car, you definitely feel like you're gonna be better. Like, you're gonna be quicker than the police. Because we all seen the videos of the Hellcats hitting that gas and just leaving the police in the past. But still, it's like, it's too much to risk. You know what I mean? Like, you risking one, your life over everything. You don't want to crash, end up in the obituary. You don't want to do that. Two, you risking your license. Like, think about it. For one simple ticket, you're never going to be able to drive again if they catch you. And likelihood of them catching you is pretty high, bro. Like, now I know this is different from New York, because New York drivers, especially them BMWs, y'all like to get away. I know what y'all on, but this is crazy. This is the most underwhelming crash ever. I thought it was gonna flip over and all that type of stuff. Like, she literally just parked her car right on the sidewalk.
Well, that's
It
fine.
even looked like she spun out.
What's your name?
Teresa. I don't have drugs or guns or nothing.
So you should have stopped.
I was just scared because I was suspended, that's why.
That's not worth
Damn,
anything
huh?
with what you're going through.
Boy,
It's
it's
a ticket.
raspy.
It'll be a little bit.
See what I'm saying? It's just like she would have got a ticket. She would have paid a little bit of money. Now you got to
That's
pay
why I
a
was like, I know
lot
it's coming
more.
up, so that's popped her tire. And then she did a full fucking 360. Then I was like, I'm ending it right here. That's what we're going to do. I mean, I don't want to
Man,
do
you
so.
ain't
I was
had
assuming
nothing,
that she was
bro.
going to go south on 45, that she knew where she was at. So I was at Q in 45 waiting with bikes.
Thank you. Well, she wanted to go south on the interstate, but I,
Dang, look at the tires. She's on
The subsequent
rim.
search of her vehicle yielded no evidence of additional crimes. However, she was charged with 2 felonies, fleeing an officer and first-degree recklessly endangering safety. She spent nearly 3 weeks in jail before she posted a $20,000 bond.
She got it like that, you know what I'm saying? She said, I got the Mazda, so I got that money.
Currently, she is awaiting a plea hearing scheduled for March 2025. She has entered a plea of not guilty to both felony charges.
That's typical. That's our typical bond for fleeing. It could be higher. I've seen it at 50. I've seen it at 100. But that's our typical bond. It doesn't matter. Your actions speak louder than what's in the car. All you had to do was stop, and I would have given you a ticket. That would have been it. No, literally, there's nothing I could have taken you to jail on. In Illinois, that's a crime to drive while revoked or drive while suspended or without a license. In Wisconsin, it's a ticket. Literally, that's all. I would have said, wait for a valid driver. We would have been done with it. So because of your choices, you went from a very simple ticket and a court date to multiple felony charges.
This man explaining the book for her. But yeah, so ultimately, that was the video. It was a little underwhelming. I just want to see the spin out again. Like, let's just look at the spin out again. Because
On July 9th, 2000.
She kind of hit that. She kind of hit that.
Keep it for a little bit longer.
I think it was up here.
290
That's
just
a
spun
weird
out.
one.
I'll be boxing her in right over.
Yo, she did it perfectly. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, she actually hit that.
290 just spun out. I'll be boxing her in right over here on the.
You know, that was a crazy experience for her. She was over there like, but you know, at least everybody's safe. I got really scared when the thing started pointing at the motorcycle. I was just like, I hope nobody's gonna get hurt. And the car didn't even flip over. I guarantee that car is gonna be in a used dealership in a 16-year-old's hands by a week. I give it 1 week, that car is already going to be sold on the used market lot. Some new tires, some new rims. Ain't nobody even going to check the suspension, all right? And person going to be watching the video like, dang, is that one Mazda? Yes, it is your Mazda. So that's the video, guys. I know it hasn't been too long. Just wanted to update you guys on the state of the channel, though, while I have some time left. We are going to be having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I don't know what we're gonna give away. I have some big stuff planned for the channel, but a lot of it's gonna revolve around summertime, you know. So I want to have some drive with, like where some of my subscribers can drive with me and, you know, experience my Mustang. If you guys have never been in a performance car or a sports car like that, I think it would be a lot of fun. I actually did one with my boy Jonathan, but sadly the GoPro said I can't hear you. So yeah, but apart from that, we are going to be looking to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We are going to be doing some drive widths. I don't know what the word for it, because I keep thinking drive by, but that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do a drive widths. I don't know. Somebody comment down below what it is. I forgot. And also, just to inform you guys, I wanted to do more videos like this where I'm kind of like inside, because as you guys know right now, I live in New York City. It is cold, okay? Every day is 30 degrees outside. So filming the car content, it's a little far and in between until we get like to that better weather. But it's coming up, you know. Groundhog did whatever the groundhog do, and summer's soon around the corner, spring, summer, you know. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this video is Midwest Safety. If you haven't subscribed to me, make sure you subscribe to them as well. And that's it. AR out.